Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this Incly 4-pack pegboard containers. So these are super handy. You can put multiple things in here and just fits right on your pegboard there. We're gonna go try these out. There's 4 different sizes here, ranging from small to decent size. All right, so let's go. Sturdy and durable, fits any standard pegboard. So as you can see, decent dimensions on here. These are made out of metal, so they should be fairly sturdy. And they looks like they got some kind of like a powder coating on the paint there too, so it feels pretty nice. Anyways, I'm gonna go do a little bit of organizing and show you guys how this looks on my pegboard. All right, well, I have my pegboard here. You can see it needs to be a little bit more organized, so I'm gonna get my baskets going and we'll show you guys how it looks here. All right, as we can see, these go in nice and easy. This is just a standard size pegboard here. Just put them in and turn it. And easy to take out and remove. I'm gonna give myself a little bit more room here. Line up my holes, and there we go. Well, friends, there we go. As we can see, got quite a bit of capacity here. I got my 2 respirators and my jig there. Got some batteries for my drill, and got my gloves and also my arm protective sleeves there. Got some tape up in that one. So you can see lots of storage in these. Really kind of helps organize and consolidate my space here. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day. I'll see you next time.